morning, everybody. This is Alyssa from the Midland County Public Libraries, here to bring you the next Fun Friday. So we got a couple of fun crafts for y'all to do. They're gonna be quick and easy, so I got three going on for y'all. First off, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a coffee filter snowflake. Super easy. Take a coffee filter, I'm gonna put it over this paper so you can see. Flatten it out, fold it in half. Doesn't need to be too perfect and even. And then we're gonna fold it a third of the way. So when you fold it a third of the way, it looks exactly the same distance as it is on this end. Like I said before, it doesn't need to be too perfect. Fold over this line again, over here, and these should line up. And then we're gonna fold one more time, halfway over. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut into this. So, like for this dip right here, I'm gonna cut at an angle and then curve out. And then when you cut into these parts, don't cut all the way up, just kind of cut a little piece out. You can do it at an angle, or you can do it rounded. Okay, and then when you do it on both sides, make sure you don't cut back into this side over here. So we're gonna cut a little diamond out here. And then we'll cut another piece, like a little rectangle out here. You guys can do it however you want, just make sure you don't cut all the way across into it, otherwise you're gonna lose the top half of your snowflake over here. Leave that out. And then I got a little space right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little diamond out. Looks like a triangle right now, but it's gonna be looking like a diamond once we open it up. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we have a beautiful snowflake. It does all the symmetry work for you. All right, next, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a tree. You can do this on any kind of paper, but I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna go ahead and go for green because I wanna go ahead and do it green. But if you do it on regular printer paper, you can always color it however you want. Or it can already look like it's an already decorated tree. All right, so what we wanna do first is we're gonna fold it across hamburger style. So across the long ways, fold in half. Okay, and then we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna line it up with this side. So fold it in half and diagonally. Okay, and we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna take this edge and line it up here, folding it in half again. Crease it. So, make sure I'm doing this right. Now we're going to open it all back up. See, we got all these creases right here. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to fold it in accordion style along these lines. So I'm going to fold it, this fold up, this fold down, again here. I want to reverse this fold, going the other way. Okay, and then fold it down, crease that, and then we're going to fold this one that way, and we're going to fold this one down. So it kind of looks like that fan look where it's going back and forth. across. Okay. Increase it. And then makes it nice and easy for you. Either side you do it, just going to cut across this line. And then you can either keep your tree like this, or you can cut these little divots in like I did. I'm just going to cut out 2, so about a third of the way. I'm going to go ahead and cut across just a little bit, and then I'm going to do a diagonal that meets up to that edge of the cut. And then I'm going to do another one about halfway between here and the point. Just don't go all the way. And then we're going to do another diagonal that meets that cut. Alright, and now we're going to open up our tree. And it already kind of looks nice. But to make sure it's nice and secure, you want to go ahead and take one flap and bring it over this flap. And you can either keep it like that, or you can glue or tape it down so it stays nice and secure. And there you go. You got a nice little pine tree. You can add any decorations however you want to it. Alright, last craft. Let's clean up my mess a little bit. I'm going to show you how to make our little Santa advent calendar. We have these cut up and ready here at the library, but we also have a PDF available online for those of you that can't come over. And you're free to color it or print it on colored paper, however you all want to do it. Alright, we have 5 pieces. We're going to start with the hat. Okay, we're going to glue the face onto the hat within this area right here. You can use tape too, either way. Line up with these lines right here. Right. Now we're going to take, this is the trim for the hat. Do some glue across here. I'm going to line up this part with these lines right here. So it goes down like that. Doesn't need to be too perfect. There we go. And then next, Santa's beard. It's going to go right under the nose. Go ahead and put glue across right here. And then we're going to paste it down right under his nose. It's okay if you go a little over, because we went ahead and did a little nose. And glue that down right there. And then for each day, you can put a piece of tissue paper, an actual tissue, unclean one, unused, or a cotton ball, or a pom-pom for each of the days as you go through December. And then the last one will be Christmas Eve, right before Christmas. And there you go. Y'all have 3 crafts ready for Christmas, done in record time. See y'all next week.